Driving safety depends on accurate and reliable mirror replacement. How can driver visibility be ensured if a monitor exhibits dimmer corners than the center, or varying luminance from one direction to another? In this video, we focus on the core performance of CMS monitor isotropy and reveal its standardized testing methods. CMS monitor isotropy comprises two core dimensions: lateral uniformity and directional uniformity. Lateral uniformity measures the luminance consistency across different areas of the monitor. Directional uniformity measures the luminance consistency of the same area on the CMS monitor across different viewing angles compared to the design viewing angle. These two indicators determine the CMS monitor's spatial and angular display consistency, critical for clear driver observation and accurate judgment. Therefore, we need standardized, unified, and repeatable testing to evaluate CMS monitor isotropy and keep driving safe. Accurate and stable test results rely on a standardized test system. Yanding's CMS automated test system strictly complies with international and domestic regulations such as ISO16505 and GB15084. High precision, high efficiency hardware, and our in-house developed RIQA image quality analysis software enable standardized quantitative evaluation of CMS monitor isotropy. Next, we will introduce the complete test flow in 3 sections: test KPIs, test steps, and result analysis. Per ISO 16505, CMS lateral uniformity requires that the maximum luminance difference across 9 measurement points is less than 35%. These measurement points are positioned at different percentages based on the monitor's defined horizontal and vertical dimensions, covering the screen center for corners and midpoints of the edges. Start by displaying a 70% grayscale image on the monitor. Align the luminance meter's optical axis with the surface normal of the monitor. Capture the screen once measurements stabilize. Then use RIQA software to analyze the 9-point luminance distribution and calculate the luminance deviation ratio. The luminance deviation ratio shall be less than 35% to meet the criterion of ISO 16505. Standard isotropy range 6 vertical, 7 horizontal from the design viewing angle. The luminance deviation between any measurement direction and the design viewing angle shall be less than 35%. Extended isotropy range an additional 5 in both vertical and horizontal directions. Beyond the standard range, that is, 11 vertical, 12 horizontal, the luminance deviation between any measurement direction and the design viewing angle shall be less than 50%. Display a 70% grayscale image on the monitor. Measure the luminance at the center of the screen with a goniometer or a conoscopic measurement system or equivalent. Then import the data into RIQA software to calculate the uniformity. Deviations shall be less than 35% in the standard isotropy range and less than 50% in the extended isotropy range to meet the criteria of the ISO 16505. The above outlines the measurement method for CMS isotropy. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.